Now we are going to learn K-map. To simplify complex Boolean logics, Boolean expressions, we use K-map. Here, there are some kinds of K-maps like K-map with 2 variable, K-map with 3 variable, and K-map with 4 variables. Like here, this is K-map with 2 variable example. It is 0, 1, 0, 1.
2 variable.
Yes. So the value of this box is 0, 0. This is 0, 1. Actually, this is 1, 0. This is 0, 1, and this is 1, 1. So the real value of these boxes are from our binary value of these numbers. 0, 0 is 0, 1, 0 is 2, 0, 1 is 1, and 1, 1 is 3. What I have done here, I just wrote the variables here and here. It is 2 variable of K-map, A and B, and we will count the numbers from right side to left side. Like I have written here 0 and then 1, and here also 0 and 1, and I have written the numbers here like 0 from here and this 0, okay, and after that I have taken this one first and this 0 later, and here this 0 again first and 1 later, and here this one is first and this one is second. So we know our binary values of these numbers. 0, 0 is 0, 1, 0 is 2, 0, 1 is 1, and 1, 1 is 3.
What
So
is that?
I have put the real values, our decimal values here.
You are adding 0, 0, 0, 1.
Actually 0, 0, actually we know that, we know how to calculate binary numbers from decimal values and the opposite. Like 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 3 is 8. This way we know that our binary, we know how to solve the binary numbers. Sorry, it will be 2 to the power 2, and that is 4. And this way we know our numbers increases. So when we put the values here, like this is 0, 0, 0, 0. So there is no 1, so the value will be 0 here, and here it is 0, 1, 0, 1. I have written
No.
1 here.
No 1 means?
There is no ones, so we cannot count the numbers. We cannot take the numbers to add. Like there is 0, 1, we can take 1, so the value of this is 1, and here it is 1, 0, so we can take 2, because in the box of 2 there is 1, so we can take 2, and we will not take this room because here it is a 0, and after that there is double 1, 1 and 1. So we have to take these two rooms because these two rooms value are 1 and 1. So we have to add 2 and 1. These 2 and 1 we have to add, and the value will be 3. So this way I got the numbers from binary numbers to our decimal value.
In KMap, what should I do first? What do I have to do first?
I have not started telling you that what you have to do. I'm just telling you the properties of KMap now, that KMap can be created by with 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables. Here I have shown you the example of KMF with 2 variables A and B, and after that I will show you the KMF with 3 variables.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay, whatever the variable is needed for KMap.
Yes.
Suppose if there is 3 variables, so what should I put the C?
Yes, I will tell about this. I'm coming this. First, I want to know that have you understood that what I have just told you about this concept?
You just
Came up with 2 variables. Have you understood about this matter?
yeah. I have understood a little bit, but you just repeat what I was saying.
Yes, I'm telling you again that when we are doing K-map with 2 variables, then there will be only 2 variables, that can be a, b or x, y, whatever. When you are taking a, b, then you have to write the value of value here 0 and then 1, and here also 0 and 1, and then we will write 0 here and this 0 here. So the value of 0 0 is, from our binary value to decimal, is 0. So I have written here 0, and then I have taken 1 first, because we will always take from the right side and then from this side down. So I have written 1 here and then taken b, the 0 value of b variable here. So this is 1 0. 1 0 mean 2 in our decimal value. So I have written here 2, and after that you can see there is 0. I have to take that first, and then the value of b variable 1, then I have taken it second. So the value of 0 1 is 1, so I have written here 1, and later I have to take the value of a variable first again. Here I have written it, and after that I have to take the b variable's value, that is 1. I have written it again. So the value of 1 1 is 3, that I got from binary to decimal value, that is I have written here. Is it clear?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, then now I'm going to show you K-map with 2 variables. Okay.
That was 2 variables.
Oh yes, it is K-map with 2 variables.
If there is 2 variable mentioned,
Yes.
so there will be 1 row and 1 column.
Yes.
And if there is mentioned for 3 or more.
Actually, it is here 2 rows and 2 columns, not 1 and 1.
Sorry, 2 rows and
Yes.
2 column.
Yes.
2 rows, 2 column. For 2 variable.
Yes. Okay. Any questions?
And to get the actual value of 11 or 10, we have to make the chart. Get it.
You don't have to make the chart if you remember the values from the binary to decimal.
Okay.
I just explained here so that you can understand how I have got the values from binary to decimal.
And if I make the chart, hello.